Living in a dorm teaches you valuable life skills. You learn to manage time and money wisely. Sharing space teaches living peacefully with others. This builds independence and confidence. The dorm is a training ground for adult life. These lessons stay with you forever. The dorm room presents your first challenge. You typically share a small space with several roommates. Everyone must learn to respect personal boundaries. It has basic furniture like bunk beds. Storage is limited and needs organization skills. Common areas serve important social functions. The kitchen becomes a place for cultural exchange. Students cook together and share meals. Laundry rooms turn into unexpected meeting spots. Lounges provide space for group study. These facilities build community spirit naturally. The bathroom needs an adjustment period. Sharing facilities requires consideration. Morning routines need careful planning. Students become efficient in habits. This teaches flexibility and patience. These skills prove useful later. Living in the dorm means meeting people from many places. Your roommates often come from different cities and cultures. This experience opens your mind to new things. You learn about different ways of life and traditions. Trying new foods and celebrations is exciting. This cultural learning is like another class. Sometimes you have small problems with roommates. Different living habits can cause misunderstandings. You learn to talk about your needs clearly. Finding solutions together is important. This helps you understand people better. These skills are useful for future work. The friendships you make in dorms can last a long time. Late-night talks help create close relationships. Friends support each other during exam periods. Everyone celebrates happy moments together. They also help during difficult times. These friends often feel like family. Having private time becomes important in dorms. You learn to find quiet places for yourself. Using headphones helps when you want to be alone. This teaches you to balance social and private time. Learning this balance helps in future life. These skills make shared living easier later. Dorm life can help your studies in many ways. Having a good place to study is important. Quiet hours make it easier to concentrate. Studying with friends helps everyone learn. When exams come, friends support each other. This good environment makes learning better. Managing your time well is very important. You need to balance school, work, and social life. Being close to school has many benefits. The library and classes are nearby, but you need to avoid distractions. Making a daily plan helps you succeed. Learning from friends is very helpful in the dorm. Students often make study groups for difficult subjects. They share knowledge in common areas like lounges. Older students sometimes help newer students. This teamwork makes everyone learn better. The dorm becomes like another classroom. Living and studying in the same place has good points. You can always find friends to study with, but it can be hard to separate life and study. You learn to make clear lines in your mind. This skill helps in your future job. The experience teaches you about work-life balance. Dorm life brings different challenges for students. Many feel homesick in the first months. They miss their family and familiar places. This can make them feel sad and stressed. They need to learn to handle these feelings alone. This experience helps them become stronger and more mature. Managing money is another important lesson. Students learn to plan their monthly spending. Shopping for food together teaches budgeting. Unexpected costs need smart planning. These experiences build money management skills. They help prevent money problems later in life. Staying healthy needs attention in dorm life. Shared living can spread sickness faster. Students learn good hygiene habits. Eating well is hard with limited cooking options. School stress teaches stress management. These health habits often continue when they grow up. Safety awareness grows through dorm experience. Students learn to protect their belongings. They become more aware of building security. Emergency drills make procedures familiar. This teaches personal responsibility for safety. These habits become natural in future life. Dorm experiences leave deep marks on students' lives. The friendships made often continue for many years. The life skills learned help them live independently. Many people remember dorm days as important growing time. The memories stay clear throughout their life. This time helps shape their personal values and views. Living with different people changes how you see the world. You learn to appreciate different ways of life. Communicating with people from various backgrounds becomes easier. This understanding makes you a better global citizen. Many discover lasting interests through these connections. This experience often affects career decisions later. You become better at solving problems in dorm life. Daily situations need creative solutions. You learn to handle disagreements and find middle ground. Discussions with roommates improve your talking skills. These abilities help in professional life later. The experience builds confidence to face life's challenges. In the end, dorm life is much more than just a place to sleep. It's an important step toward being an independent adult. The lessons go far beyond what you learn in class. Students come out as better people with wider understanding. These experiences prepare them for life's many challenges. Most graduates always treasure their dorm memories.